So that means the other finalists will be Mutyan Palawan North. To present the award for this year's Mutyan Palawan North, please welcome Mutyan Palawan North 2023, Patricia Lauren Munoz, Annette Alida, Tracy Padilla, and Captain Mateo G. Carrillo. Mutyan Palawan North will receive a cash prize of 50,000 pesos, PLDT Wi-Fi, and Natasha gift packs. And to present the award to this year's Mutyan Palawan, please welcome the Governor of Palawan, the Honorable Victorino Dennis M. Socrates, together with First Lady Judge Maria Rowena P. Socrates. Mutyan Palawan 2023 with Sharon Maxine Garner and James Lorenzana. Mutyan Palawan 2024 will receive an island expedition tour worth more than 67,000 pesos from Balabac Eco Resort, round-trip airfare from Philippine Airlines, and Smith's Essence Store, 5,000 pesos gift packs, 50,000 pesos worth of products from Quicksilver, PLDT Wi-Fi, Natasha gift packs, and the grand prize of 100,000 pesos.